Well, this has happened around 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Indian Standard Time today morning is when today is being the ninth day of Durga festival in India. It's a very, very auspicious day, and lakhs of devotees were on their way to this temple in Ratangarh, which is in the Datia district of Madhya Pradesh. If I could tell you about this temple is on a small hillock, and it's in a secluded forest area. You need to make your way 5 kilometers on foot, or a two-wheeler, four-wheelers cannot go to that secluded area. This incident happened on a bridge that is about 1.5 kilometers away from the temple. What police have told us here is that there was a group of youngsters who wanted to cut short the waiting period in the line for the religious rituals they wanted to offer to the goddess in the temple. And because of that, there was this group who started spreading the rumor that the bridge on which they were standing was about to collapse or was damaged. Because of this, there was panic. And after the panic, reportedly about 25,000 people were on that bridge, which was mere 15 feet broad and which was across the breadth of the river Sindh, 1.5 kilometers from the temple. This is where the stampede happened. The magnitude, as you know, is very high. So many casualties. Over 100 people have been injured. And what our sources in the police in India are telling us, that the death toll can very well go beyond 100 mark. Back to you.
And the bridge itself didn't collapse. It was just simply the people on top of the bridge trying to escape the bridge that caused the deaths. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. The bridge is intact. Because there was this group which wanted to actually cut short the line, the waiting period for the religious rituals at the temple, they started spreading this rumor that the bridge is about to collapse. And because there were so many people, let me tell you, about 5,000 people were in and around that area, about 25,000 people on that single bridge when this rumor started, making rounds. And because of that, there was panic and people started running left, right, and center. Some even jumped in the river, and others became a victim to the stampede. So the bridge is still intact, but yes, a lot of lives have been lost in the stampede. Back to you.
And how close were these people to emergency help? How long did it take to get them any kind of assistance?
Well, there's a big question on the security arrangement and the crowd management by the administration at the district level, at the police level, because this is an annual event. This is not something that has happened out of the blue. Navratri or Navami is the day, what we call in India, is a day when a lot of people go to temples, to pay their homage to their goddess, to the. And today also was the same day. The police had made some arrangements. About 250 officials were deployed in order to ensure smooth darshan for the people who could go and visit the temple. But the big question is now what the people are angry about, because of which there have been clashes between the devotees and the police, that the arrangement was not good. Because if you were anticipating a crowd of lakhs of devotees, why only 200 people were deployed for the crowd management, for the overall administration, and for the overall law and order situation there? Back to you.